This is me being gray. Hi! Welcome back to my channel. My name's Angelina and I really like wigs. Okay, I have a bunch of wigs. No one really knows about this except like maybe a few close friends. Not because I'm embarrassed, but because like, I don't know. Hi, I'm Angelina, nice to meet you. I have a bunch of wigs. It's just not something that comes up in conversation all the time, so that's okay. I was watching a few videos this morning. I'm subscribed to this girl named Kennedy Walsh. Love her videos. Her whole family has their own channels. They're really funny. And I don't know, I feel like I relate to this girl because I just love transforming myself too. I watched a video with Kennedy Walsh and she did like a blue makeover. So she had blue hair, blue eyeshadow. She has blue eyes, blue lips, and blue shirt. And I was like, I want to do that. I want to do that right now. Thank you for inspiring me. So I pulled out two of my wigs. One is pink, one is gray. I made a post. Ooh, 2 for gray. All right, we'll do gray. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the base. So let's go ahead. Let's start with the base. I like doing that. I'm gonna go in and cement eyebrows. YouTubers or future friends. Nothing's worse than a bad bun. Let's go into the questions. If we're up close and personal right now on the screen, I curl my eyelashes weird. Pop! Oh, mascara. Oh gosh. Frame my eyes better for my eye shape. Should I do box brows? Should I change my shape? So many fun options. This is boring. Let me ask some questions. Let's see. So first question says, how long have you been doing photography? So I have a photography business. It's like a little startup one by myself. It's called Angelina Marie Photography. I love being behind the camera. I don't like being in front of it. I mean, I do. I'm very picky with my photos, so I don't like being in front of the camera unless like it's my best friend. She knows my angles, you know what I'm saying? I have been doing photography for probably since I was like 10. I got into it because my sister and I was just always taking pictures, always doing like cool little photo shoots. I entered contests and stuff. One of my photos went to nationals. Next question says, would you ever get your nipples pierced? I've had them pierced. They were pretty fucking annoying, but I love them. I thought they were so pretty. I love jewelry. I used to have a few more piercings too. I used to have my tongue pierced. I don't know if anybody remembers that, but I did that when I was in high school. I also got my nipples pierced when I was just after high school. I had them in for a few years, so like I said, they were a pain in my ass. Would I do it again? Probably, but at the same time, like, it was just annoying, like constantly being careful with like seatbelts, or just like they never really fully healed for me too. They always hurt. I took one out. You just had to be like careful with them. And I don't have time for that, so I took them out. Don't forget your neck, ladies and gentlemen, and my non-binary babes. I feel like I'm acting like a jillion people are gonna watch this. Like, that's how I film every time. I act like a billion jillion people are about to watch my video, and I get so nervous and I start getting all freaky weird. I talk to myself in my head a lot. Like, I'm really good at saying things in my head, but when it comes to just being like, say it out loud, Angelina, she ain't there. Like, she gone. Steak and margaritas or burgers and whiskey? And I really like this question because no one's ever asked me it. Toasty! I would have to say steak and margaritas because I really love burgers. Like, I love Steak and Shake, but burgers really fuck my stomach up. And I don't really like whiskey. I like picklebacks, but I honestly don't even drink, so. Whew! Why did I put that there? Why did I put that on my neck? Medium or medium rare steak. And ooh, and I would probably get a big ass margarita with sugar on the rim. Wow. What? Okay, I see all these makeup artists going hambo on their concealer. So I'm going hambo. Normally I do this much. Did you see how much I packed on over here? Okay, here though, I'm gonna try all this concealer and see what it does for me. Cause I have never, ever, ever put this much on my face like this. Like, y'all know Shape Tape is like 27 bucks. It's just like Shape Tape, I swear. What is the one thing in life that you would redo up until this point, if any? I am a woman of no regrets. I really do think everything happens for a reason. My big motto and thing I like to say is lessons and blessings. Nose, notch. Is that how they do? Another question. How old am I? I'm 23. Also, someone asked for my social and my credit card number and my zip code. We're just gonna bypass that. Yeah. Okay. When you run low on your spray and it just looks like someone fucking 1 to 10. You nasties. You nasties. I'm nasty. Okay. Ooh, everyone wants to see the gray. Ooh, favorite books. I've been reading this book for literally 5 years. It's called Better Than Running at Night. It's really good book. I just pick up my phone or I just don't read. I really want to start reading again. I really do. I love Sarah Dessen. Let's just do favorite kinds of books. So I love stories, like self-help books, nutrition books, scary books, like criminal books. Like I loved Goosebumps when I was younger. I like dream books. Those are really cool too. Who's your favorite person with the letter Q in their name? I only know like one person with a Q in their name, and that's Quinn. So I guess you're my favorite person with a Q in your name. Question: would you ever go on a blind date? Yeah, I think that'd be cool. I think that'd be a cool experience. Ooh, favorite foods. So I've been eating really healthy. I just finished doing the 30 days of healthy living with Arbonne. That's what's in my cup. I've talked a little bit about Arbonne on my channel. Cheese fries. That is my #1 favorite food. I love cheese fries. I also really like country fried steak, but I haven't had that in forever. Chicken cutlets, I'm really good at making those. Yum. I'm not a pasta fan, but I love lasagna. Girl, I'm hungry now. How can I be as cool as you? It does take a little bit of time and practice, and you really just have to be yourself. I don't think I'm cool at all. No, I think I'm pretty cool. Who am I lying to? I know this side looks darker, but that's because there's a shadow over here, so bear with me. Honestly, just be yourself. If you think I'm cool, be yourself, because I think you're cool. I think a lot of people think you're cool. I've also done some pretty cool Halloween looks. That's where it like stems from, not like I'm a freaking weirdo, which would be okay. Like, who cares? It's your life. Do what you want in your free time, whatever. But it does stem from the love of FX makeup. Oh, hi, So. Are you awake? Want to see who's out there? Beautiful. Are we getting there? You guys have no idea what's about to bestow upon you. think I've done this 3 times now. I have this old eyeshadow felt tip thing. I have freckles. This is so fun. How could you not want to do this? Did I look real? That's so fucking cute. Oh my gosh. Here I am whispering again. Do people get freckles here? This girl does. Do I look like me still? I think I'm going overboard. I think I'm doing a little too much. There's the freckles. Obviously we're gonna overline them. I love overlining my lips. It's like, yeah, put them lips on. So this is like the gray color that I have. It's more purple. Shoot. It's like gray enough, okay? Let's make my eyebrows a little bit bushier. Just like a little mascara bucket. Do I feel different? My wig was $9.98. Yay. I love this wig. It's long. I haven't had long hair in so long. It's kind of gross. The wig, like, it's cheap, but we still go on. And she got bangs, so this shit is ratty. Honey, what have you been doing in that boy? I don't look that different. Or do I? I don't have a wig cap. Ah! Put it on. You know, I got bangs. But, shoot. Oh, this wig is ugly right now. Guys, I don't know. I'm a little nervous. Hi, my name is... Honestly, I want to go for Sabrina here. This is the final look. I'm feeling it. I feel cool. I feel I wanna go dancing, 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 dancing. This is it up close. Hi. Sabrina, maybe? Sabrina don't give a fuck. Sabrina don't care. But these bangs are not. No. What? You asked for me? No. This is fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you, Kennedy, for being such great inspo. Her video is linked down below. It's just that easy. $9 wig and some makeup. And you can transform who you are. Let me know what you guys think and if you would try this too. I hope you have a great day, night, evening, afternoon, morning, weekend, week, month, year. Rock out. Sabrina is out. Okay? Sabrina got a piece. Sabrina don't have time for this. Sabrina has got to go. Vince! What? Come here! Oh, cool.
Good God, no. What the fuck?
Whatever.